Hey everyone, welcome to the TikTok famous Officer District Park. O diba napakaingay ng lola nyo? Because not only kids will enjoy but also adults like me. It is located on Lansell Avenue in Officer. It is a 10-hectare adventure and nature park. Yes guys, dito na pupunta ang tax na binabayaran natin dito sa Australia. At least may palibre tayong playground na napakaganda. It has an incredible multi-level playground with a variety of play zones. And you'll get to experience these 2 20-meter-long embankment slides. Even toddlers will enjoy too. Di ba, Mikel?
Yes!
It has parkour zone, fitness equipment, and also a lookout from the top of the hillside. Kids of different ages will surely enjoy in this park. Kaya naman tingnan nyo, gabi na ayaw pa ring umuwi. And if you have some visitors coming from overseas, ayan, at gusto nila makakita ng maraming kangaroos, you can bring them here. Di ba, Mikel?
Yes!
As you can see, para silang mga dinosaurs na tumatalon-talon. Kaya naman, what are you waiting for? Bring the whole family and your visitors at Officer District Park. Till our next travel video!